This is the fantasy intelligent factory that makes a Prefab X flip in 30 minutes.
What? 30 minutes? Hey, I'm Kim. It's been 3 months since our last factory visit, and we're on the road to our factory today. What do you say, Jocelyn?
Hello everyone, I'm Jocelyn. I'm so excited to see what's the new change to our factory in the last 3 months, and we are now on the road to see all the things. So for those who are new here today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and let's go! Finally, we have arrived at our destination to see the construction process. So, Kim,
let's have a look.
I can't believe that within 3 months we built such a massive factory here. You can see this is the number 3 workshop. This is our number 2 workshop, which is what I mentioned earlier, that makes a set of Prefab X flip within 30 minutes. And over there is our number 1 workshop. Come here. Where I stand now is the beginning of our assembly line for the Prefab X flip. So from here to over there, it takes 30 minutes to assemble a set of Prefab X flip. Amazing, right?
PTH pioneered the introduction of mature automotive automated production line technology. Through years of industry deep cultivation and accumulated experience, PTH independently developed the world's first prefabricated housing 30-minute assembly line, integrating laser cutting, laser welding, AGV logistics, surface treatment, and mold pressing, assembly, and packaging into one, achieving truly digital management throughout production and traceable quality control, leading the revolution of smart manufacturing in prefabricated housing.
Kim, name one of the most famous steel structure project we have done before.
Coca-Cola factory in Papua New Guinea.
Oh, I know that one. But you know what? From now on, I think the most famous one should be where we stand now. This factory.
Wow.
Right? This factory overall, the area is over 70,000 square meters. And from the designing, all the architecture things, and the on-site installation things, we do it by ourselves. You know what, Kim? I can't wait for the October.
Why?
Because the factory will be put into operation in October.
Wow. So don't forget to subscribe and follow us.
If you like our video, please like, share, and follow us, and we will see you soon.
谁说？
你说呗。
跟我说了，我说 Let's go.
Finally, we have discovered what's the new things. What's the new thing?